Then write down the A transpose, so that we can write down the A transpose equal to this column transpose to row, and the row will be transposed to column, that is the columns transposed to row, like as 1 4 3. Similarly, second column will be written in the methods of row wise, so 2 5 9 and 3 6 1. Similarly, 4 1 1 1 2 6. This is the matrix of A transpose. And what is the order of this A transpose? Order means number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows, this is the rows number, this is the columns numbers. So that row will be 1 2 3 4 5. So row will be 5 number of rows. The column is 1 2 3. The column is 3. This is the order of 5 by 3. 5 by 3 order matrix. Question number 5 will be solve yourself, like as addition, subtraction only. First question will be given A matrix equal to 7 1 7 1, B matrix equal to -6 9, and find the A plus B addition, like as 7 1 plus -6 9. You can add respective element with respective elements, that is first with first and second with seconds, like as 7 plus -6 1 plus 9, that is 1 9 plus 1 10. Complete. Similarly, you can solve the question number 5 yourselves. Question number 6 will be given, find the 2 by 2 matrix of X plus 0 1 1 0 equal to 2 0 0 2. Find the values of X. And X will be happens, this is the side will be changes, so that 2 0 0 2 minus 0 1 1 0. Easily you can subtract methods. 2 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is -1, 0 minus 1 -1, 2 minus 0 2. Complete. Question number third I, second I, IB will be solved yourselves. Question number 7. Calculate whenever the possible if matrix product. Because 1 2 3 4. We can study the multiplication between two matrices. In this, to solve the multiplication, we can first check out the order of the two matrices. This is the first matrix, like as A, the second matrix like B. So that A matrix will be order 2 by 2 and B matrix of order 2 by 1. Our condition is the first matrix columns is equal to second matrix rows number, then the matrix multiplication possible, otherwise not possible. That means first matrix columns number equal to second matrix rows number. If equal, then possible to multiply, otherwise not possible. Here the first matrix of columns is 2 and second matrix of rows is 2, so matrix multiplication will possible. Now you can multiply respect the first row, multiply with the columns respective element with respective element. That means 1 with 2, 2 with 3. It is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3. Similarly, second row will be multiplied 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Now you can solve units. Question number 7 will be completed. Now question number 8 will be also the multiplications, and calculate the AB, BA, BC, CB, AC and CA. A matrix will be given 1 2 3 4 and B matrix will be 3 2 1 4 and C matrix will be 2 2 and 1 3. We have to calculate AB. AB means A matrix 1 2 3 4. B matrix will be 3 2 1 4. We can multiply respective element. This is a matrix of order 2 by 2, also the 2 by 2. So this is possible to multiply due to the first condition our the first matrix columns number is equal to second matrix rows number. So the matrix multiplication will be possible. So we can multiply a respective element with respect, so that row will be multiplied with column wise, row into columns, so that 1 into 3 automatically plus 2 into 1. Second, the row multiplied the continuing process till ending of the second matrix columns. The first columns will be completed. Now this matrix will be again multiplied the second columns of second matrix. So that's 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 into plus 2 into 4. Similarly, second row will be multiplied column wise, 3 into 3 automatically plus 4 into 1. The first column is completed, and second column will be 3 into 2, 3 into 2 automatically plus 4 into 4. It will be 3 plus 2, 9 plus 4, 2 plus 8, 3 into 2 6 plus 40, 16. Now you can add it and find the AB. Now again question 8 will be completed. Now find the following products. You can similarly find the product of this matrix. Question number 9 will be given. After 9 we have to solve the question number 12. 11. Question number 11 will be given. A matrix given and the identity matrix, that is I matrix will be given, and you can find the A into A minus alpha I. Alpha belongs to any real numbers, that is A matrix will be given 2 4 3 13, and identity matrix will be given 1 0 0 1. Question will be find the values of A minus alpha I. We can find the values of A minus alpha I, and alpha belongs to any real number. Question will be given alpha belongs to any real numbers. So A minus alpha will be 2 4 3 13 minus alpha into I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1, 2 4 3 13 minus alpha can be multiplied by the rules of scalar multiplication. If A can be any scalar quantity, multiply with matrix A B C D, let maybe alpha, so that alpha A, alpha B, alpha C, alpha D our results. Similarly, alpha can be multiplied alpha into 0 0, alpha into 0 0, alpha into 1 alpha. Now you can subtract 2 minus alpha 4, 3 13 minus alpha. You can subtract respective element with respective elements, first with the first and second with second, third with the third, fourth with fourth. Question number 12 will be given. Find the x and y, find the values of x and y. In question given that question number 12, x minus 2y, 0 minus 2 equal to 1 minus 8 0 minus 2. You can find the values of x and y. Find x and y, and condition will be given two matrices are equality. You have to remember equality conditions. Equality means two matrices is said to be equal if the respective elements are equal. If the respective elements are equal, then satisfied the equality conditions. So that here x minus 2y 0 minus 2 1 minus 8 0 minus 2 देखो since 0 here also 0 minus 2 here also minus 2 x minus 2y 1 minus 8 now we can comparison like as x equal to 1 x equal to 1 and minus 2y with this minus 2y equal to minus 8 x equal to 1 into minus 2y equal to minus 8 then y equal to 4. Similarly, you can solve the question number 12 also. Complete.